Welcome to this video on NotebookLM, focusing on active learning strategies for senior engineering executives. We will explore how to bridge decades of wisdom with modern AI tools. Let's explore the AI landscape for senior professionals. This involves navigating the transition from traditional technical records to AI-augmented intelligence. Experience meets intelligence. Generative AI doesn't replace engineering expertise stored in complex manuals, it liberates it. You can modernize technical jargon, query decades of archives in seconds, and scale mentorship using AI grounding. We are moving from passive reading, which is limited by volume and complexity, to active learning with AI. Uploading a manual allows the AI to act as a 24/7 technical specialist, explaining concepts in your preferred terms. The NotebookLM advantage is that it is source-grounded. By uploading proprietary manuals, you create a private technical brain. It eliminates hallucinations by citing page numbers and paragraphs from your uploaded documents. NotebookLM provides 3 precision pillars for engineers. First, safety first, ensuring strict data privacy. Second, verified citations, linking claims directly to the source text. Third, term translation, converting old terminology into modern standards. The manual to modern workflow involves 4 steps: digitization of manuals, synthesis where NotebookLM indexes the content, interrogation for asking specific questions, and output generation for materials like study guides or FAQs. The audio overview feature offers deep dive audio conversations where 2 AI voices discuss your engineering manuals like a professional podcast. This is ideal for reviewing complex technical updates on the move, transforming dense text into engaging dialogue. NotebookLM is key to future-proofing your legacy. It ensures that decades of engineering institutional knowledge remain accessible, searchable, and actionable for the next generation. Critical deep dive use cases include modernizing formulas, historical troubleshooting to predict future maintenance, and regulatory alignment to identify compliance gaps against current safety regulations. Experience an efficiency gain in knowledge retrieval. What once took 45 minutes to locate and explain a specific calculation across a 3-volume manual set can now be done in just 4 minutes with NotebookLM. Your legacy is augmented. How will you use NotebookLM to scale your expertise and ensure your knowledge thrives in the modern AI environment?